Using a reverse camera with MacBook Air.
Hello everyone. In today's video we'll be discussing whether you need any specific software or drivers to use a reverse camera with your MacBook Air. We will also touch upon how you can go about doing this, ensuring that you have a smooth and hassle-free experience.
Do you need specific software or drivers?
The answer to this is, it depends on the reverse camera you're using. Not all reverse cameras are designed to work with a MacBook Air out of the box. While some may work with a standard photo booth application that comes with your Mac, others may require specific software or drivers to function correctly. However, generally speaking, most USB-based reverse cameras should be plug-and-play on a MacBook Air, with no additional software or drivers needed. macOS has built-in support for a wide range of USB video devices.
How can you check?
If your reverse camera isn't working immediately upon plugging it in, the first step should always be to check the manufacturer's website or the user manual that came with the camera. There, you should be able to find information on macOS compatibility and whether any specific software or drivers are needed. If the reverse camera requires specific software or drivers, they should be available for download on the manufacturer's website. Please note that these software or drivers should be downloaded and installed from official and trusted sources only to avoid any potential security risks.
What if you still have issues?
If you have installed any required software or drivers and your reverse camera still doesn't work with your MacBook Air, it's possible there may be a compatibility issue or a problem with the camera itself. In this case, your best option would be to contact the manufacturer's customer support for assistance. So, to sum up, using a reverse camera with your MacBook Air might require specific software or drivers, depending on the camera model. Always remember to check the manufacturer's website or user manual for compatibility and software requirements. Hopefully, this video has been helpful and provided you with some guidance on how to use a reverse camera with your MacBook Air. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.